Julius Yego akoretwo ari muharine wa mbere kumenereria uria athaki makoretwo matekurumbuiyo na njira njega. Nakio kiroko kia umuthi akinyire kiaro-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta na akora kamiti ya bururi ya mahenya itari na tigiti wake, undu uria ucungiriirie arunawe kurehe githagathago kiria kimacerithiirie gukura kwa ihinda ria mathaka rundo. Thutha wa githagathago giki, timu ino ni cokire ya kura yerekeire Angola mbere ya mathiete Rio Brazil ni undu wa mathako ma Olympic. Julius Yego onake muthia ni etikiririo ni kambuni ya Kenya Airways ahuthire ndege iria guthiaga Angola atari na tigiti, guku agitariria kiha giake kumana na gicanjama giki.
It shouldn't happen again because remember when we had the opening of the camp in Eldoret, when the Honorable Member of Parliament, who is also happens to be in the marathon team, Honorable Korir, did mention about the disappointment we were getting from the management. It was real, and many people maybe thought Korir was just a politician, but he was really pointing on the issues we had given to him because he was our captain. And when people start saying maybe Korir was just talking as a politician, but you see what happened, and it's very unfortunate. Some people just disappoint our government and also the country. It's just few elements, and then we have to get rid of such people. We don't need to have them again.
Athaki aingi manekora hatikaine ya tigiti ciao kwaga na njira iri na kiriga, aria ni hamwe na njorua ya mahenya ma marathon Catherine Dereva, rodumwe na njorua ya ihenya ria mita 1500 Elijah Manangoi. Ateng'eri age Asber Kiprop, Hevin Kieng, Faith Chemngetich, Caleb Mwangangi na Brimin Kipruto nio marebangĩire uria meguthie nginya Rio de Janeiro ni undu wa mathako maya ma Olympic. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Simon Kife.